Once you restart your system, open VMware Workstation Probo, select New Virtual Machine option, select Custom Advanced. Next, select I will install operating system later. Next, here you need to select which operating system you are going to install. I am going to install Windows Server 2022. Press next. Here I am going to give the DC name. Click browse. I am going to install here 2022. Again new folder DC. Press OK. Next, select BIOS. Next, give 4 GB RAM. So I am having 32 GB RAM, so I am giving 4. Next, select bridge. Next, next, create new art, give 200 GB. Okay. Next, so finish. We have configured PC, but we are not just like this is like just like building a hardware. After that, we need to install OS and everything, right? So click Edit Virtual Machine, go to CD, select USO ISO image file, click Browse, uh, go to Desktop, Files, select SQL Server 2022 OS, click OK. Now power on this virtual machine. Select new next option here, install, select data center desktop experience here, click next, select the accept Microsoft license and terms, click proceed to next, select custom, click new, apply. Here type the password. Yeah, we have successfully installed Windows Server. Okay, now we need to install VMware tools just like drivers. After installing the OS, we need to install specific drivers. So the same way we have installed Windows Server 2022 on VMware hardware. So that's why we need to install VMware tools as a drivers. Okay, press Alt Control 3. Give the password. Select VM. Select S here. Select don't show this message again. Minimize the server option. Go to VMware. Install VMware tools. So once you've done that, you will get the DVD option here. Select here VMware setup 4. Select as run as administrator. Next, select the complete option. Press next, install. So you need to restart the PC. Press yes. I'm taking the full screen mode. So select firewall.cpl. Turn off that. Why? Because for error-free troubleshooting in real time, we are enable the respective ports through firewall. Okay, and open server manager here. Click manage, add new rules and features. Uh, to proceed, note and next. So this is the name currently this PC is there. So I need to rename it as a DC for easy purpose. For meanwhile, I didn't assign the IP addresses, right? So press ncpa.cpl and check the IP v6. Select IPv4. Select properties. Here give 10.10.0.0.50, 10.0.0.50. Okay, press OK. You will get this IP. No need to worry at all. Okay, now see the what is the name we are having here for this. Rename this PC. Change. So I want to name it as a DC. Select OK. Restart later. So open select server manager. Select add new roles. Next. Still the name it is there, no problem. Next. Select Active Directory Domain Services. Okay. Select ISKC target server. Next. So it is not required all here. Next. Finish. We are going to install the features which are related to the domain services and as well as SAN services. So requires successfully completed. Press next. So we have renamed the PC, but that change has not went, not yet committed. So we need to restart for that. Select plan, press next. Select the flag symbol here. Promote this server to domain controller. Select this option. Select add new forest. Come here, type abc.com. He can give any name. Okay. Press next. Give the password for directories and services restore mode. Here, enter the password. Select the firewall, go to firewall, and here once you added make it domain, it will domain firewall will become, we need to turn off that one as well. So open command prompt and check the IP. So I'm getting 10.10.50. Okay, now go to check is that same or not. In why? Because sometimes it will go in loop mode. See, 127.0.0.1. Now we need to convert as a 10.50. Okay, now it's good. Okay, now see the adapter. What is this? Is it bridge mode or not? Yes, it's bridge mode. Okay, so this is the domain. Now what I'm going to do is here is now go to tools, select group policy management, expand forest.com, expand domains, select default domain policy, click edit, select policies, select window settings, select security settings, here account policies, here password policy. So here what I want to do is I want to disable the complexity. Select disable, press OK. Minimum password length is 0. Okay. Uh, 24 passwords I need to know. I will kept as a 2. So I don't want, why? Because all these are mine only, right? So I don't want to keep on enter the main policies. So minimize this. Open now. Open command prompt with run as administrator mode. Type gp update /force. So computer policy has been updated successfully. User policy update has been completed successfully. Now open server manager. Click on tools. Go active directory users and computers. Select administrator here. Reset password. Type 123. So that whenever I want to enter the password, I can easily enter. Unlock this account. It's not required. Press OK. So now whatever the password is there, it is like 123 only. No need to enter the complexity 1. Now open the server manager again. Now click on tools. Click on DNS. Expand DC. So this is the abc.com. Okay. Now select reverse lookup zone here. Click next. 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 Allow both non-secure and secure dynamic updates. Click next. So here what it means. Now go to abc.com. Select this PC. Update associate pointer record. Press OK. See, the pointer record got updated. Now again I am open DNS once again and try to restart the DNS. Okay, I have created forward lookup zones will be already there, and I have created reverse lookup zone. So as of now, the domain control is ready. Okay, minimize, go to home again. Now try to create node 1 and node 2. Click node, select next, next. Here node 2, here node 1. Click browse. Select bias, next, next. Keep the 8 GB, next. Use the bridge. Set 100 or 80s, 60 is enough. Okay, now go and create the node 1 as node 2 as well. Next, 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 next. Type here node 2, U8 GB. Select bridge network ingress. Next, 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 finish. So we have built two physical servers, just like it is, we have assigned all the CPU, RAM, everything, but we need to install the OS now. Select node 1, edit virtual machine, go to CD drive, use ISO image, click browse, uh, go to desktop and files, select, press OK, and power on this virtual machine. Go to node 2, edit virtual machine, go to CD drive, use ISO image, go desktop files, power on this virtual machine. Go to node 1, click next, install now. Now go to node 2, it is also in progress. Next, select desktop experience. I am doing this for node 2. Now enter the password. Um, Press finish. Still node 2 has to come. Provide the password. Select VM. Select install VMware tools. Click on rename, change here, node 1. Press OK. Now you can restart the PC. Now go to node 2, provide the password. Go to node 1, settings, select network adapter, click add, select network adapter, finish. Keep that in NAT only. Node 2 settings, select add, network adapter, finish. Keep that in NAT only, press OK. Select VM, install VMware tools. Open Windows Explorer, select D drive here, select change PC here, type node 2. Go to node 1, provide the password, type firewall.cpl. Okay, now go to ncpa.cpl. So disable IPv6, select IPv4 properties. Here give 10.10.0.0.50, 10.0.0. Sorry, 10.0.0.1 here, 50 here. This is the domain IP address. Go to the disable IPv6, click OK. Again go to properties, select IPv4, select here 192.168.1.1. Again go to node 2 for the password. So turn off the firewall.cpl. and cpa.cpl. Select properties, disable IPv6, select IPv4 properties, 10.0.0.2, 10.0.0.50. Disable IPv6 properties here 192.168. So these are not required. So this is the private IP address which is for cluster network. Okay. Now node to go to node 1. Open this properties. Rename this PC advanced. Click change here and type abc.com. Type administrator @abc.com. Type 123. Password is 123. This is the advantage of disabling the password complexity. Yeah, successfully added node 1 into domain. So we can restart now, no problem. Now go to properties. Right click on rename this PC, change here abc.com. abc.com. Type administrator @abc.com. 123. Press OK. So welcome to abc.com. Now we have added node 2 as well in to domain. Restart it now. So now meanwhile go to node 1. So now here click on other user, type administrator @abc.com. So from now on, once you added it to domain, you need to add that user as well into this domain. Now open firewall.cpl. Now turn off that firewall, domain firewall. Now go node 2. Again click on other user. Here administrator at the rate of abc.com 123. Now type firewall.cpl. Yeah, we have disabled firewall as well in this. So just cross check here once again. Yeah, all are turned off. Now go to node 1, go to settings here. So go to CD, select OK. This one is in load. OK, open. Now go to node 1, add roles. Next, next, next. Here we need to select .NET 3.5 framework. Select failure clustering feature here. Remote admin, select expand this. Here failure clustering. We need to select failover cluster automation feature. Press next. So we need to specify the alternative path for .NET 3.5 framework. Press install. So at a time we are installing .NET 3.5 failover clustering tools and failover cluster automation server in node 1. Once it is successful, we can do the same in node 2. Yep. Installation has been completed successfully. So once you reinstall the .NET framework, one of the best practices is restart the PC. Now go to node 2 and go to settings here. Go to CD network and just browse, select Windows Server, click OK. Now open Server Manager, add roles, click next, next, next. Select .NET 3.5 framework, failover clustering, expand remote tools. See this, it is a drive or same drive or not. Yeah, same drive only. Click OK, press install. Installation has been successfully completed on node 2. Close it and restart the PC. Now open the document. So Active Directory, reverse code, disability, firewall, all this has been completed. Join node, domain firewall, install .NET 3.5 up to here 13th point we have completed. So partially like we have installed this one also 14 has been completed. Only this create virtual hard disk in node domain and assigned to node 2 and node 1 has been pending. Okay, now go to DC, create virtual hard disk. We can use this as for quorum purpose. So I am assigning only 1 GB quorum. So 1 GB is enough for that. Give the node to IP address 10.0.0.2. Press OK. Next, next, finish. Okay, now I'm going to create a 20 GB hard disk. First disk 25, 30. So why? Because I'm to differentiate myself for myself. Okay, 1 GB, 25 GB, 30 GB. Now I want to go to node 1 here. Now go to node. I would like to show one thing here. Go to services.msc. See, Microsoft Icecase Initiator service is manual, right? So now what I will do here, I will go to here, click Icecase Initiator. See, the mic is not running. If you press S, just go and refresh here. See, it will turn as automatic. We need to make sure that it should be always automatic for Icecase Initiator service. Now go to 10.0.0.50. Go and quick connect. We have connected. Press OK. Now go to disk management, computer management. I'm selecting quorum here. Quorum next. So default 64-bit. I would like to keep it as now 25. Next. E drive default 64-bit. F default 64-bit. Next. Okay, yeah, we have successfully configured hard disk in node 1. If you see here, single hard disk is there. Now I want to go to do the same in node 2. Now click on tools, click on ISKC initiator, click yes. Type the SAN IP address 10.0.0.0.50. Now click on tools, computer management. Click on management. So make sure that is same partition format 40 that area. Select NTFS default 64-bit. We need to see that. Okay. Select format NTFS default 64-bit. Click OK. Now come to F drive. Format NTFS default 64-bit. See, we have successfully configured drives to node 2 as well.